I've got this old broken, goodness knows what, SV650 that somebody I think thought they were going to make some sort of track bike out of. I've bought it as an organ donor. I've bought it as an organ donor, and I've roughed up an exhaust out of the noisiest buggery Danmoto. We're just going to shove on. We're going to shove on there with two hands, and then we'll give it a kick in the guts. Good enough. Bloody hell. Obviously needs a tune. I think I've got vacuum leaks everywhere, an exhaust leak, but I think this thing will bloody rip along. No worries. Clean radiator, we've got some spare brakes, switch gear, you know, the usual thing. I've ordered some gasket kits that are on their way, and maybe even a couple here. It'd be exciting. Anyway, tag along for the ride. I've said before, terrible YouTuber, not a bad bike mechanic. Have a great day. Tell your mum you love her.